Day 12 of Parliament's winter session saw high drama inside and outside of the houses. Both houses of the Parliament have been adjourned for the day. In the Rajya Sabha, BJP chief JP Nadda accused the Congress of links with George Soros, calling it a tool of the OCCRP.
They are trying to bring instability in the country. उसी तरीके से the Forum of Democratic Leaders of Asia Pacific, जिसकी co-chairperson कांग्रेस पार्टी की वरिष्ठतम नेतृत्व है महोदया, वह भारत की संप्रभुता पर प्रश्न तो उठाती है। ऐसी संस्था को को-चेयर करना कांग्रेस की नेतृत्व के द्वारा यह बताता है कि यह देश में की आंतरिक सुरक्षा और देश की बाह्य सुरक्षा के लिए बहुत बड़ा खतरा है। इसकी फंडिंग, इसको आर्थिक रूप से मदद देने का काम यह जॉर्ज सोरस कर रहा है। मैं जानना चाहता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी का और जॉर्ज सोरस का क्या रिश्ता है।
The Congress and its allies countered the BJP with charges over the Adani row and slammed them for dragging Sonia Gandhi and the Congress into the Soros issue.
अडानी मुद्दे पर आप चर्चा कराइए, हम अपनी बात रखेंगे और सरकार को पूरा मौका मिलेगा। इन्होंने 23,000 अडानी ने 23,000 करोड़ रुपया मोदी सरकार को दिया है, ये मेरा निश्चित आरोप है।
Rule 238(2), sir. Remember while speaking. 238(2), sir.
Yes.
Remember while speaking shall not make a personal charge against a member. Sir, the leader of the house is a very senior leader, very seasoned leader, and he is very experienced. He mentioned the name of the leader of the opposition in the other house, in this house, sir, so that cannot be. It is pointed to one member, maybe any house. He is a member of the parliament, and here, that cannot be, sir, as per the rules.
Amid the uproar, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar joined the House for the day. Meanwhile, in the Lok Sabha, similar scenes played out as Union Minister Kiren Rijiju questioned the Congress over its alleged ties with Soros.
आप लोग प्लीज बैठिए, शून्यकाल आ रहे हैं। मंत्री जी को सुनिए पहले, शून्यकाल स्टार्ट प्लीज।
अपना हरकतों से शर्मसार कराया है सर। जब ये यहाँ जितने मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, सब अपने अपने क्षेत्र से आते हैं, सब अपना बात को संसद में रखना चाहते हैं। यहाँ कांग्रेस पार्टी और कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व जॉर्ज सोरोस के साथ तालमेल करके देश के खिलाफ काम करते हैं और फिर रंग बिरंगे नारा लगा करके, कपड़ा पहन करके और यहाँ तरह तरह का आपत्तिजनक बातें नारा लगा करके इन्होंने सदन का गरिमा को चोट पहुंचाया है।
The opposition hit back, reiterating demands for a discussion on the Adani row. Sloganeering forced the Lok Sabha to adjourn as well. And speaking after the adjournment, Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi said that the Prime Minister is now hiding, even as the opposition demands answers over the Adani issue.
हाँ, हाउस नहीं चल रहा है और सरकार जानबूझ के हाउस को चला नहीं रही है, या फिर इनसे चल ही नहीं रहा है, मतलब इन काबिल नहीं है ये हाउस को चलाने के। क्योंकि आप देख रहे हैं हमारे जो प्रदर्शन हो रहे हैं 10:30 से 11 बजे तक होते हैं। जैसे ही हाउस शुरू होता है हम अंदर चले जाते हैं काम करने के लिए। काम हो ही नहीं रहा है। जैसे ही हम बैठते हैं ये लोग कुछ शुरू कर लेते हैं ताकि अर्जन हो जाए। और इनकी ये स्ट्रैटेजी है। मुझे लगता है ये बहस नहीं करना चाहते हैं, ये डर रहे हैं अडानी जी पे बहस करने से, डरते हैं, जानते हैं कि ये चर्चा नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि सारी बातें सामने आ जाएंगी और छुप रहे हैं। और मुझे ताज्जुब होता है, मैं तो नहीं हूँ संसद में, आज तक प्रधानमंत्री जी आए ही नहीं है। सत्र के मेरे ख्याल से 10 दिन तो हो गए होंगे, दिखते ही नहीं है यहाँ।
Now, Earlier, outside of the parliament, the INDIA bloc MPs, led by Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi, staged a black bag protest. They marched to the Makar Dwar, accusing the government of avoiding discussions on critical issues like unemployment, corruption and Manipur violence.
Well, yes, as we have seen that the logjam is continuing both the houses of Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, because the opposition is quite adamant, and if we talk about the Congress party in particular, then they are quite adamant over their demand that there should be a discussion which needs to be done regarding the charges which are being levelled against the Adani Group, and that is the only reason why not just inside the house but also outside the house the Congress party is protesting each and every day with a new ideas. Today also they had brought in some bags in which they had stated Modi Adani Bhai Bhai. So clearly that was basically a dig which the Congress party has taken over Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as they are saying that it is basically a nexus between the government and the Adani Group, and that is the only reason why they are not ready to hold any kind of discussion within the house. And in fact, the allegations which are coming in on the part of the BJP as well upon the top leadership of the Congress party, they are also saying that there are certain links of the Congress party's top leaders, including Sonia Gandhi as well as Rahul Gandhi, with George Soros, and they are also demanding that it should be discussed within the house, as both the treasury benches as well as the opposition are continuously holding these protests. There are sloganeering which is continuing in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, and that was one of the reasons why Rajya Sabha has also got adjourned today as well till the time of 11 a.m. tomorrow. And for that reason, in fact, the opposition is saying that this is basically a diversionary tactics on the part of the BJP to raise the matter which is completely baseless. It is all the fake narrative which the BJP is trying to create against the Congress party to impact the image of the Congress within the country, and that is why they are just running away from holding any kind of debate or discussion within the house which is related to the charges which are being levelled against the Adani Group. But it will be really interesting to see that whether this logjam is going to continue or will it be resolved, because in fact the India bloc is also not united over its stand, as on one side the Congress party is firm on its stand for a discussion upon the Adani Group, but on the other side there are several leaders within the India bloc, which includes parties like TMC and Samajwadi Party, who are saying that there are other issues which are also related to the common man of this country, and it must be discussed within the house, as there should be a strategy which needs to be prepared on the part of the entire India bloc with the coordination of all of these parties, so that each and every issue which is related to the common man of this country will be raised within the house.
Now, shifting focus to some breaking news that's coming in at this point, we're learning that the INDIA bloc MPs have stepped up the attack against the RS chair. They have submitted the no trust motion against the RS chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. The motion has been submitted to the Rajya Sabha Secretary General. Opposition MPs have alleged partisan conducted by the chair. The motion is likely to fail, though, as the opposition lacks numbers. Crucial point there. We're crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi to bring us more on this. Sabyasachi, the update is, as expected, the opposition MPs have submitted a no trust motion.
The opposition MPs have given a no trust motion against Rajya Sabha Chairman Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, and they have submitted the no confidence motion to the Rajya Sabha Secretary General. Now, Jairam Ramesh said that all the political parties belonging to the India Group have had no option but to formally submit a no confidence motion against learned Honorable Chairman of the Rajya Sabha for extremely partisan manner in which he has been conducting the proceedings of the Council of States, and it has been a very painful decision for the India parties to take, but in the interest of the parliamentary democracy, they have had to take this step. Meanwhile, see, several members of parliaments, whether it is from the Congress side, the Trinamool Congress, the Samajwadi Party or the Aam Aadmi Party, all of them have stated that the time for the opposition member of parliament to speak on crucial issues was not given time and again. When the leader of opposition from Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, tried to speak on important issues, he was disrupted, as well as his mic was several times muted. So these were kind of allegations, and also Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar taking the name of Abhishek Manu Singhvi on the account that certain amount of cash had been recovered from his seat. So these instances have not gone down well with the Congress party and other alliance partners of the India Bloc. Meanwhile, the Trinamool Congress, though they have said that they are in this matter with the Congress, but they are not with the agenda. But the Trinamool Congress feels that the same kind of biased behavior is seen towards the central government, and the opposition MPs are not getting enough time to raise their concerns, and the 0 hour is wasted by creating disruption, and there is no voice to speak on that. So these are some of the crucial points which the opposition MPs have mentioned while submitting the no confidence motion against Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us those details.